In this video, I am going to show you how to change your theme in Outlook. In Outlook on the web, initiate composing a new email by clicking on the option to create a new message. Once in the new message window, locate the Options tab. Here, you'll find the Colors option, which, when clicked, will open the Theme Colors gallery. Within the Theme Colors gallery, you'll observe a variety of color sets. The initial group represents the colors of your current theme. Feel free to browse through and select a color set that aligns with your preferences. For a more tailored experience, opt for creating your own set of colors by creating or selecting customized colors. You can adjust theme colors and create a unique color. As you make adjustments, keep an eye for the Sample section to preview the effect of the color changes. After finalizing your color choices, don't forget to name your custom theme, enter a suitable name for it, and click Save to preserve your personalized theme colors. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.